Good morning, students. Today the date is June 30th and the day is Tuesday. Today we will continue with the next topic of aptitude under verbal aptitude. Chapter number 5, that is sequences. In this chapter we are given some sequences, and from those sequences we are to give the answers of the given questions. Firstly, we have the sequence like the sequence given is observe the following sequence and answer the questions that follow. Here the sequence is given in which you can see 2 times x, 2 times y, then x, y, x, triple y, x, y, x, y, x, triple y, x, y, y, triple x, y. Now we are to find out the answers for the given questions. How many times 3 y's occur together? 3 y's. See the pattern. Here, this is, and one more. So, 3 times y occur together is 2 times. So, the right answer is 2 times. How many times 3x occur together? 3x. You can find out from the given sequence. This is the right answer. So, there is only one time where 3 x's occur together. The next question is, how many times x is followed by exactly 2 y's? X is followed by exactly 2 y's. Now, this is this one first. Now, next one is I have to find out those x's which are followed by 2 y's. So, this one is, so here we have two options where x is followed by 2 y's. So, the question number 3, the answer is 2. How many times is an x not followed by a y? X is not followed by y. So here I have to find out x's which are not followed by y. So here I can see from the question, this x is not followed by y. Here this x is not followed by y, and this x is not followed by y. So here we have 1, 2, 3 options where x is not followed by y. Next question is, how many times is a y followed by exactly 1x? How many times is a y followed by exactly 1x? I have to find out the options where y is followed by x. So, this y is followed by x. This y is again followed by x. This y is 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 followed by x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This y is followed by x. Now the question is exactly 1x. Here I have 3 x's, so I will cross it. And the right options are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 options where y is followed by a 1x. So the right answer is 6. Next one is again same. Observe the following sequence and answer the questions that follows. Here again one sequence is given. And the questions are also given. How many times 3 9s occur together? From the given sequence, I have to find how many times 3 9s occur together. You can see the sequence 9 6 3 6 6 triple 3 triple 9. I have to find out how many times 3 9s occur. So this is the triplet of 9s. Now no more. So this is one time. Next question is, how many times is 3 followed by exactly 1 6? Exactly, I have to find out how many times 3 is followed by exactly 1 6. Now I have the options 3 followed by 6. If I see here 3 is followed by 6, but we have 2 6 here, so we will not take it. Next option is this one, 3 is followed by 6. Here I have 3 is followed by 6. So I have two options where 3 is followed by 1 6. Next one is, how many times is 6 followed by exactly 1 3? Now I have to find out the option where 6 is followed by exactly 1 3. So here I have 6 followed by 3. Again this 6 is followed by 3, but there are 3 3s. 3 times 3 is there, so I'll not take this options. And the second one option is this one, 6 is followed by 3. And the third option is this one where 6 is followed by 3. So we have 3 options where 6 is followed by 3. How many times is 9 not followed by 3? This question is where 9 is not followed by 3. So you can see from the sequence that this is the first option, second option, third option, fourth option, and the fifth option. So the right answer is 5, where 9 is not followed by 3. Next question is, how many times exactly 2 6 occur together? Again we will see from the sequence. Here I have, this is the first option. No other option is there. So the right answer is 1. So students, in this way you can find out the questions from the given sequences. This is all about chapter number 5. Thank you.